Hi guys, this is Tracy from Lavinia Stamps and welcome to another demonstration today. I've got watercolour card and so I've cut this to size, but you can use any size you like. You can apply this technique whichever colours you want, whichever stamps. So let's get started. I have got the lovely Celeste here, so I'm going to start with her. So I'm going to ink Celeste up in the black because I want her to be more sort of prominent. Let's make sure that she is completely covered. There's a lot of detail in her hair, so always worth just checking. And then we're going to pop her down like so. Give that a good press. Just remembering that you're stamping onto watercolour card, which is a little bit more fibrous. You need to just let it rest a while longer. Okay, there we go. I'm quite happy with that. So you can see all that lovely detail coming out in her hair. So that's worked really well. So the next thing I'm going to do is stamp the branch down, just working out where to pop it. I'm going to use the Golden Meadow for this. I want to keep it nice and light. Like I say, I want Celeste to be the focal point in this, and the foliage can be just done around her. So let's just pop another one there and ink that up again, and we'll pop that around that side as well, following through. And then I'll pop another down there. And maybe one there. Okay. So what I might do is just put a little of the Warm Breeze on one or two of those, just to give it a little bit of depth. There we go, and that's enough. So just by adding 3 different shades of colour, it's really created a nice depth to the card. So that's just a really nice technique that you can apply to so many different things. Just use different colours and take your first stamp off, create a lighter colour, a little bit darker and darker again. And it always amazes me how it 3Ds your image. Okay, so I'm inking up now in Warm Breeze. I'm going to take off and then pop some of the winter words down the side. And now I'm going to add a little bit of colour around the edge. So I'm going to start with Line Punch. So starting with that lighter colour, and then it's much easier to blend colours over the top, bringing in a little bit more depth. So I've gone on to Della Blue. So just round that edge. Now I'm going to go back to the line punch and I'm just going to bring in a little bit of colour, making that a little bit more solid. And that's what's great about these brushes, because they're so small, you can get that detail just in the area that you want. Okay, and if we want to make that a little bit darker, just bring it round, follow that line, and you can see the difference how that's made it stand out that much more again. So I've got my Posca pen here. I'm going to put a little bit over the top, so good shake, and let's just tap a little of that. And then I'll dry that off. And we've got some of our lovely sentiments here. So let's pick a few words. Down the bottom there, just to finish it off. Now I need my glue pen, and we're going to pop a little bit of glitter over the top. So I'm just following that line again. And we've got some fabulous holographic glitter, which works really nicely, especially for Christmas. Let's tap that off, and there it is. So, a nice, quick, easy card. I hope it's inspired you to have a go yourselves, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks so much, guys, for joining me today. You take care, and I'll see you very soon. Bye for now.